Are you tired of spending hours creating video content for your business? Look no further than Kreado AI's free text-to-video service. Our innovative technology uses artificial intelligence to generate stunning video content from simple text. With Kreado AI, the process is simple and efficient. Just input your text and let our powerful algorithms do the rest. Within minutes, you'll have a professionally produced video that is sure to impress your audience. Whether you need marketing content, explainer videos, or product demo videos, Kreado AI has got you covered. Our free text-to-video service, you never have to worry about complicated video editing software or expensive production costs. If you want to create more engaging video contents for your projects, Kreado AI is super easy and free for you. Kreado AI can generate more eye-catching text to present or digital human videos within minutes. You can create text to video using different styles of presenters and different languages. You can also create your own avatar, and you can also use AI copywriting tool. LLM languages. AI copywriting tool ADN allows create your own prez.
To create AI digital human video on Kreado is super easy. First, you can follow the link given in my description and then open the Kreado AI and easily sign up with your email. After creating an account, you can start your creating by pasting your script and choosing the presenter as you like. Then you can generate and download the video within minutes and publish where you want. This is the end of my video about Super Kreado AI. If you like this video, give subscribe and hit the notification bell for more interesting videos. To create